Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to lock your notes with a password. Normally, as you can see here, I'm in Notes. You would click on the top right hand corner that points up, and then you see the option to lock notes, and then you would enter a password. You'd create a password, but I already have a password on mine, so I'll just type it in, but you will create a new one for yours. Then you press OK, and you will see lock added, and to lock it, you'll simply just click on the lock and it will lock the notes. As you can see there, the only thing is it shows a preview, same way of a few couple words. And then to open it, you'll simply press on view note and enter the password. Now to remove the lock, you'll simply click on the arrow pointing up in the top right hand corner and then select remove lock. That's it.